Hello, this is Narain back again from Parkware, and in this video, you'll just be exploring the functions of a guest. So essentially, like pretend you're an organizer, and then you need to share, like some sort of way that guests can actually update their status at a certain provider space, like once they arrived and once they departed. So for this, we just made it way simpler, and we just have a web app. So what you can do is you have this link that you actually get from the Parkware app, mobile app, and you just share this link through WhatsApp. It's like regular messages. Once you share it, like other guests can actually update their status. So let's just like take a look on kind of how you do this. So pretend let's just say that I have this view, right? Like this is like once I'm at clicked an accepted request. So what I do is pretend like I open this link as a guest. Now I have like this view, right? So as a guest, all I have to do is just input my full name. So this is really just for identification, just to make sure that just so make sure that like who's actually which guest is actually parked at my place. So let's just say test for example, and then a phone number. So this phone number is mainly for the provider to immediately call the guest if there's like any emergencies, like if they need to tow their vehicle out, or if like something is actually blocking. So like let's just say like 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and so I just input my phone number, and then I just have this view, right? So I have each of the providers, and then like their information, so like their name, address, and available spaces. So all I have to do is really just click I'm here, and then this actually updates the provider in their view. So they know like, okay, so this is so and so is a part of my location, and this is their phone number just in case there's like any emergencies. And then you have this view again. You just have like a provider name and address just for reference, and you click I left, and then that's really it as a guest. So all you have to do is just update your status just to make sure that the provider knows that it's you, and make sure that the organizer like make sure like the organizers like has their guests appropriately being parked at a provider's location. So thank you for watching this, and our next video will dive into like the steps to become a provider, and like kind of how you can act as a provider in Parkware.